In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all photos from Google Drive, including how to download only image files, step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, the one that actually stores the photos you want to download. If you use multiple accounts, it's easy to be in the wrong one, so take a quick moment to double-check the profile icon in the top right corner. Once you're in Google Drive, you have two main options: download everything in a folder, or carefully select only the images you want. Let's start with downloading an entire folder of photos. In the left sidebar, navigate to the folder that contains your images. When you see the folder, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, choose the Download option. Google Drive will automatically start compressing that folder into a zip file. This might take a bit of time if you have a lot of photos or very large image files, so be patient and avoid closing the tab while it's working. When it's done, your browser will prompt you to save the zip file to your computer. Choose a location that's easy to remember, like your Downloads or Pictures folder. Now let's say you only want to download images and not other file types. In your Drive, open the folder where your files are stored. You can use the View options in the top right to switch between Grid View and List View, whichever makes it easier for you to see the previews and file types. Hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac. Then click each image you want to include. You'll notice that only the files you click become highlighted. Make sure you're selecting files with common image extensions like JPG, PNG, or GIF. When you're done selecting, right-click on any one of the highlighted images and select Download. Just like before, Drive will bundle these into a zip file and download it to your computer. After the download finishes, go to your computer's download location and find the zip file. Double-click it to open, then extract or drag the photos into a regular folder so you can access and organize them easily. And that's all you need to know to download all your photos from Google Drive, or just the specific images you want.